YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday, June 23rd. We made it through the week so far. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Nice size box. And of course, you guys could check them out. The link is going to be down below, where you can take advantage of the fast shipping from Amazon Prime and save some money. I'm not sure what this is. We're about to find out. Bada boom. And a cut here. And a cut there. And now we have here. Uh-oh. What is this? Boom. This is coming from MOKAOU. MOKAOU on Amazon Prime. We have this beauty. Boom. DLP mini projector. Size of iPhone 10. iPhone X. Android smart projector. This thing is sweet. 120-inch display. There's the model number. But like I said, the link is going to be down below. Definitely check these guys out. Really good stuff they have on Amazon. And of course, the movie review will be on Instagram. After this video's up, it'll be on there. Just because of copyright. Can't play no movies. Wish we could though. But definitely excited for this thing. There we go. I got the Android, the newest one on it. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything. Look at this thing. It's like one of those power banks, portable battery chargers you could use to charge it up. Dang, dirty. Gotta clean that up. Got a tripod where you can hook it up to. This is 120 inches. DLP, Netflix, Hulu, YouTube TV, YouTube Red. All the good streams. Oh, this is nice. Look at the back. Got that Marine Army type. Nice. It's like tiles. MOKAOU. Oh, there's a lens right there. Whoa. Focus. Focus. Come on. Oops. Oh man. There's a focus for the picture. And here's the back. TF reader, USB, the reset button, DC. Yes, it does have a HDMI, HDN audio. There's for the tripod. And this thing is tiny. Look at that. Oh. Okay, that did nothing. There we go. Why won't you focus, man? There we go. MOKAOU. MOKAOU. We're going to turn it on. See if we could do at least a setup. Let's see what else this box comes with. Got the manual. Sweet. Don't need that. Pretty easy to set up. This must be the remote, I think. Oh wow. Heck yeah. Comes with a tripod also. There's a bonus. Look at this. Easy to use. It's like boom. All I gotta do is this. Oops. Hopefully a little bit better job than me, but you get my drifts right there. Screw it in pretty good. Make sure it's nice and tight so it won't fall off. Alright. Bada boom. Oh. This is cool. So you guys can see it, what it looks like. And I wasn't expecting a tripod. Oh. Yep, you can extend it up too. Wow. Look at that thing now. That's like a mini cinema. Yeah, I'm curious though, the quality of the movies. But you guys could look at it on my Instagram. And now we have here is gonna be the remote. Oh, this is nice. Just like the others. Alright. I'm gonna have to find batteries. Oh boy, look at this. Oops. Here's the remote, what it looks like. Nice size standard remote. Put it right there, you guys can see it a little bit better. On it, the power, positivity. Oh. Oh wow. Oh, it could be USB. And then here is here's the main power supply. You can use that. This would be good for the power banks, stuff like that. If you take it on the road, outside, parties, bring the party out there, watch some UFC, WWE, some boxing, World Cup, stream this outside, have a little party, some good stuff. Hold on one sec, let me see if I need to charge it. That might be an easy. Okay, I'll plug it in. One second, let me take this down. Get this rolling. So thank you guys at MOKAOU for sending me this DLP projector. YouTubers, you guys could get one at a low cost. Like I said, try to find you guys really good deals. Some great stuff on Amazon, and this can't pass it up. Has everything. Android, mirror. You could mirror your phone off of it. All that good stuff. Streaming, movies, everything. Gaming now, since it got the HDMI. At least you can have one. So I might do the PS4 on it tonight. There we go. Okay. Roger, Roger. We got this. Put this plug in there. Get it there. Alright. Oh, I gotta get the batteries. And of course, back up on some AAA batteries. You're gonna need 2 of them. And I always get the Amazon Prime ones. Just normal Amazon batteries. They'll do good. And they'll be all set. But give me 1 minute. Boom. Really excited to see what this is. I've read about it and was happy to get for this to come over here. Power. Alright. Maybe we gotta get going. Oh no. Aha. I'm gonna have to shut this off. 1 second. Let it load up. Of course, I'm gonna have to do the Wi-Fi stuff, the passwords, all that good stuff. Oops. Do not stare at the light because it is bright. I don't know if you guys can see. And that's off my wall right there. And it's still sunny out, so it's going to look a lot better once it's down in the basement. And like I said, for Instagram, definitely check out the movie. But there's the features: Netflix, Play Store, DLC. Hold on. I can't really tell right now. It is quiet though. And it's 30,000, or I think it's 30,000 runtime, and like 1,000 luminance, maybe 3,000. Oh yeah, I gotta hook up to the Wi-Fi. Alright, I'm gonna set this up. Thank you guys at MOKAOU for sending me this. YouTubers, stay tuned. Flip over to my Instagram for my full movie review. And thank you guys for watching. Be safe. I got another video coming up in a minute. So, see ya.